Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to use the Cursor AI, the code editor. So it is basically the mix up of like VS Code and AI. So the UI is basically same like VS Code only, but it has integrated AI in this and you can use it this thing for free. So first of all just go to cursor.com and download for your system. So I have Mac, so I have for Mac symbol. If you have Windows or Linux, you can download for that. Just download it and extract the zip file and just install the application, and now you are good to go for opening the and using the Cursor AI. So for as we can see for pricing, we have a free that includes Pro 2-week trial. It has 2000 completions and 50 slow premium request. Okay, so we can use this for 2-week trial. So now let's see how it is and how to use this. So there are different features. I will be telling you how to use that thing. So just open the Cursor AI. So I have opened this and I opened some one folder name, that is Cursor AI. Okay. So as you can see there, this is something like VS Code only. So just click Command L if you have MacBook. If you have Windows, you can click Control L and you will be opening this thing. So in this you can see the chat is there. Then there is a composer and there is a bug finder. Okay, so now go to composer. So it will create the file and it will automatically it will create a code and automatically puts it in the file in our cursor area, as you can see. And there are different models available. It is Cloud 3.5 Sonnet, GPT-4o, GPT-4o Mini, and O1 model, as you can see. So let's stick to 3.5 Sonnet, and there is a normal, and as you can see agent is also there. So agent composers can use tools, run terminal commands, and edit files. So it can do everything like run terminal commands and edit files and all that. So we will be at normal. Okay. So I have created some prompt like create a to-do list. Okay. And I will tell them that create everything in HTML, CSS, and JS. Now let's submit this and we will see how it performs. So it has started writing the HTML code, as you can see. So it will be writing the HTML code. So it has given one HTML code, and as you can see it has also put at that file, and we have to just accept or we can replace it from here. So accept the file. Okay. Now it has started writing style.css. So it has also wrote the style.css. We will accepting that also. And now it has started writing script.js. So once it will be written, all the code we will be having. Okay. So as you can see, we got our script.js. So now let's run this index.html code. Okay. So wherever, whichever folder you have selected, just go there, and as you can see there is index.html. So just copy this thing and open here. As you can see, we got our task manager. So we can be do like dark mode and light mode. So I have already added this, as you can see. So if I can delete also, then I can create a new task like create a bug report, and I want it's high priority, then work, no recurring, and from here you can choose the and add. Okay. So active completed. Okay. So whenever I will you do this, it will come into completed, and whenever, okay, I can edit from here task name. Okay, and I can delete also. So as you can see it has created a very nice thing. So if you want add more functionality according to you, okay, and we will be submitting. So now let's see what more functionality, like as you can see, task search functionality, task sorting, task tags, due date notification, task statistics. Okay, now let's see how it performs. We are just accepting the file. It is now writing script.js. Style.css has already been written, and what the changes he has done. So you can see the green one has the changes, and now the JS is writing script.js, as you can see. So it has also written this code. Just accept this thing, and let just refresh this. So as you can see, you can search from here. So now let's create some tasks like bug report, medium, high priority, work, and add task. So as you can see, I have add task. Okay, so now we can search like bug. Okay, so let's create some more task like create a Python script for this medium priority and personal. Okay, and add a task. Okay, so now let's see if we are getting some. Okay, as you can see, there are different tasks like create Python script. So if I write Python, so I will getting some Python for by tags. So by tags you can see, okay, high priority and low priority by tags. Okay, then we have by category. So as you can see, for work it is coming here, for person it is coming here. So as you can see, it is very nice, it has done. As you can see, there are two pending, due today 0, like add tags. Okay, so whenever I will add tags from here, so I can search that thing by here from tags. Okay, so this is how it has created, and there is a bug finder also. So let me do one thing, that in this I will delete this. Okay, and now uh, do new run. As you can see, it has started a git track file with changes to advanced configuration. Okay, so it has got no files, but my files is not coming here only. Okay, no worries. So this is that new thing. As you can see, Xbox find and analyze code changes between the current branch and the main branch. Okay, between the current and main. So whenever we are connected with the GitHub, so this thing can be done of the bug finder. So now do one more thing, and we are seeing how agent is working. Okay, so and one more thing is that whenever you do at the rate code, sorry, whenever you do at the rate, so as you can see, you can select files and folders. As you can see, I can select files like script.js. So he will be getting all the files. Okay, and if you are in a normal, you can see like you can do code base. So code base means it will include all the files. Like if you want to include files to exclude, so you can do that thing also. Okay, so now let's do that. We'll be adding all the files, that is index.html, script.js, and style.css. Okay, all has added, and now tell him to add more functionality and make the UI proper and make code production ready. Now let's see how agent performs. As you can see, it is has told me that error calling tool. Okay, but no worries, it is generating the script.js as you can see. Now let's see how it performs. So add subtask support, implement task categories management, add data export even functionality, improve task editing with a model, add task progress tracking, implement task reminder browser, add keyboard shortcuts, improve error handling and validation, add task description support, enhance the UI with better visual feedback. Okay, but he got error, as you can see, error calling tool, but as you can see, it is working. And there are, like I can see, there are 13 changes. So we will just accept all the changes, and now it is generating index.html. Now let's see how it generates this thing. And it has already generated, I guess. Okay, so it has changed 11 things. Okay, so now it has started writing style.css. So now, as you can see, agent is taking more time related to normal one. Now let's see how it performs the work. Okay, so it has done this thing also. It has done something like 40 changes. So accept the changes, and it has done all the thing. Okay, so now let's rerun this thing. Now let's see how. So eh, it made UI more worst, I guess so. As it has like created shortcuts as when I do n. Okay, so new task. What this searching toggle filter. Okay, so I guess so it has make more UI complicated, as you can see here. This is the okay, so this button is for okay, so this is static button only, I guess. Add a description button, okay, category, recurring, location category also nothing is there. So yep, this was the demo of the cursor AI. So this is how you can use this thing. So just see how to use this, download it and play with your code, and stay tuned for more AI related videos. Till then, keep coding. Bye.